I welcome back. Another important lesson. And in next session, I'm trying to add my experience with this. Okay, first you try to understand this. What is the topic today? Help yourself how your communications create impact on your career, either SAP or any software. Okay, so I'm telling you, my friends, if you wanted to learn something in Telugu, okay, SAP. So I have seen so many YouTube misguiders. I will learn SAP or S4 HANA in your regional language. I would like to learn what I would say in a Bihari language. I would learn SAP available in Hindi language. Okay. So suppose you are working in a you are working for European client. Who is coming and talking to you in Hindi? Who is coming and talking to you in Telugu? If you are working for US client, who is coming and talking to you in Bihari language? Okay, I'm not discriminating, just for understanding. If you use regional language, that is fine. But if it is painful also, you try to learn communications. I'm not talking about you shouldn't be polished. I'm not talking about you must not have accent. Try to help yourself. Okay, suppose I'll tell you the tip how you are going to grow for your communications in next lesson. So how you can able to improve. Okay, I'm also not good at my communication, but still I can able to manage. Once you are getting into the industry, okay, you have a time to get improved, but the generations got changed. So seeing and imitating, you don't find that much time. A lot of competition, lot of generations with a lot of talent is coming. Put forth all their energies to get compete with you. If you have technical skills, if you are very strong in SAP, but still you must know this one. Okay, where exactly it plays a key role. If you have a good communication, the first thing, you have to speak to users. Suppose if you are in support project or implementation project or support or enhancement project, you must have an interaction. Must have an interaction. How exactly I failed, how I didn't get opportunities to speak, and how I actually converted my weakness to strength. I will explain in future lessons. You try to understand. You have to speak to user. Be serious, my friends. It's not a joke. Okay. Suppose you don't know how to speak, how to express. Try to, grab some course, some books. So parallelly with your course, you try to improve your communications. Don't wait for something, some power is coming from this world and it will help you. Definitely it will help you, but I'm telling you, but you have to put your wholehearted efforts before that. Okay. So what you have to do is learn this. Try to in your institution or else your instructor ask questions. You are sitting before your laptop, you are attending any course, or else if you are live attending course, try to, so you are getting heartthrob, right? You are getting a lot of tension, right? Tell to your heart you can able to do this. Okay, try to practice this. Let someone get laugh on your face if you are speaking before getting into the job. Let them speak in some interviews. If you are not able to express, no worries, but don't allow somebody to speak against you while you are working in your projects. That is you are not carrying the reputation of yourself, you are carrying the reputation of that particular project or that particular service company or product company. So wait for your opportunities. This nature will create opportunities for everybody. So one thing is that, try to read uh, newspapers regularly in English, and I'll try to give some more tips in future. Okay. So you have to speak with users. This is one thing. And you have to crack interviews always, internal interviews always. Many people think that I got a job in IBM, I got a job in Accenture, I got a job in Mindtree, I got a job in some Unilever, I got a job somewhere else. Nothing is going to change just like that. It's a continuous effort where getting into the industry where we have to learn continuously, we have to continuously improve. Of course, I'm not doing, but I have a benchmark With that, I'm continuing. I'm a lazy person. Don't do these kind of mistakes if you really wanted to see the future in IT. Okay, irrespective of SAP or any software, especially functional consultant, business analyst, I'm telling, if you're not in a position to open yourself, people will play with you, no doubt. Okay. And you have to be good in job trials and you have to create that mark, then you should be in a position. Try to listen English things only. Don't try to get into that. You have to face domination from users at times. They will try to push you, they will try to harsh you, maybe because of your project budgets. Your project manager don't want to allow you to that modification, or else they want something in shortest deadlines. I will tell you in one of my project experience how I handled. You try to do this, how to capture timelines, how to capture the budget, how to handle all these things. Initially you might not require, probably in future something might get started at your end also, like me. So you have to lead in future. For example, if you wanted to talk to your project managers or delivery leads, they will take you inputs from you if you are experienced more than 6 to 10 years as a lead, or else after that you wanted to become strong opponent. Product companies, okay, they wanted to save the money, they wanted to save the time, they wanted to push the things on your head, how to handle all these things. Only this. Okay, only this. Always think about good here, always talk here. Okay, whatever in your mind that comes from here, be careful. Okay, so you have to become a manager down the line, maybe properly, like, we can continue till 20 years. I am working as a consultant, no issues. I have more than 10 plus years of experience. It's up to you. It's how you would like to prioritize your life. If you wanted to become manager, then obviously you should have to update yourself and many more. Like, certain times you have to face the challenges. So your communication plays a key role. So don't think that I require accent, I required, you know, some kind of fancy words. It is not required. Minimum communication, it should be required. Other person should needs to understand what you are talking about that. Okay, I'll give you some tips in the next video. If you are very early to the job, how you have to handle the things actually. Okay, so I think you love these kind of videos. If you really like it, please like it. If you really wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe. Okay, let the people laugh on your face. Nothing will happen. You are already there in the job. Then okay, try to catch hold these kind of minor things. It will create an impact. Currently I'm holding 625 videos. If you really wanted to listen, if you wanted to, the mind should capture the seriousness to just continuously listen these videos. Don't waste your time and try to learn something. Listen. If you don't understand one thing, try to listen till getting into your mind to capture, and to capture like a screenshot, like a mirror. If you wanted to perform yourself, you have to take care of all these things. Okay, so finally I would like to tell one thing. Currently I'm holding 4,653 students. I'm having one course which is 103 hours. If you really wanted to uh, learn SAP SD with the seriousness and field by field, this is the right course. And SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partner Concepts. If you really wanted to have a footprint, don't waste money. You need not spend 30,000, 40,000. Why you wanted to waste your money? Okay, why you wanted to throw money? You give some value, give some food to others. Okay, learn by using Udemy. This is a simple thing. So you have to take a one practice system and do the practice. Continuously keep in touch with. Don't discourage. Job openings are less. It will come again. So the world have a rapid changes in SAP industry and business. Don't disgrace yourself. Keep working yourself. No problem if you get a career gap also, and work yourself where you lack and come back with like a strong force in corporate. If you want to sustain your family, you have to take some risk actually. Okay, so get a positive tension, no issues. So this is SAP SC pricing concepts, and if you're already having basics, you try this. It is at advanced level. This is one of my heartfelt course. I'll try to update this course in future also. I love this course. With a lot of love, I have done this course to give the depth. So if you do these two courses, it is going to cover at least 3 to 4 pricing interview questions. Okay. And this is for business processes, like, from your order to cash, returns, and everything. If you would like to learn, if you have a doubt, stock transfers, have a backup of all these courses, so that it will be an advantage for your career. Continuously listen. If someone is speaking, someone is trying to express something technically, it has a advantage, like, it is going to your ears. Open on your mobile these courses, continuously listen, so that how I am speaking. Real time is not something, it won't come just like suddenly. Just have to listen and learn from experts, so that it will improve. So this is what I wanted to say. Transportation basics, sometimes you have a 1 or 2 questions, you try this. I just gave simple example, okay, and your delivery relevant stuff also I have updated. You just try to capture all these courses, so that it will give you a lot of confidence before attempting an interview. So that's why you have to stop one thing, and you have to stop. You have to stop this one immediately. Try to learn something in your regional language. This is very, very important. Don't even try to watch if someone is speaking in your regional language. This is very, very important. I'll give you what kind of tips in next video. This is the basic things you have to take care. If you are in real time, you have to be good in job trials, then you want it. I don't want to repeat, and keep all these things in your mind before getting into the corporate. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Be serious. When something is not happening at your end, just you be serious enough. Okay. Stay focused, so that you can get back to the industry. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat.